So here I am, all my stuff packed up, ready for my trip to Wales. So I'm popping down to this magical place in South Wales. Yeah, been there before a couple of times, loved it. Just finished all my shopping and stuff. I'm gonna head off. It's a long drive there, probably gonna get there at night time. So first night will probably be in the car, but still, 3 more nights after that, 4 days of pure Wales. Should be amazing. Yeah, I'll see you down there. Good morning. So, I'm in Wales. Ah, wow. The air feels clean. It's just so nice here. Love these huge trees. Bloody massive. Yeah, so plan for the day. Gonna drop a couple of care packages on where my hiking route crosses a road. Drop them there for the next couple of days because I don't want to carry all the food with me. And yeah, where that ridge is visible behind the trees, should be up there soon. I'll be dropping the care packages along the road somewhere down there. Come back, park up that path somewhere up towards the waterfall. Should be lovely. Right, onwards and forwards and all that. So that's it. I'm in Wales. I'm off up this mountain now to look for a waterfall. Should be beautiful. Quite hungry, so I hope it's not so far. It should be just under 2 kilometers. Not that I know what kilometers even mean. But yeah, it shouldn't be too far, hopefully. I've got the most ridiculous backpack ever. Yeah, basically just a rucksack with a bunch of crap hanging off it. It's not a hiking pack at all. Oh, yeah, as always, I'm rushing around and basically trying to prepare stuff. Dropped off my big hiking bag in the woods that I'm going to later. And then I realized when I got back here that most of the stuff I should have left in my hiking bag, such as my warm clothes, my winter jacket, my sleeping mat and bag. All those things I should have left in my hiking bag I actually got on me. So really I should have done this there along with the tent and kept the hiking bag, as it would have been much more convenient to carry. Nope, I ended up with this whatever the hell you call it. Deep water apparently. It's nice. Wow. Yeah, this forest is beautiful. The water's so clear. Murky, but see the bottom. The place is just amazing. Having a great time walking through these beautiful woods. But this pack is just ridiculous. But yeah, trek on. I'm going back downhill. I guess I got too high at some point. Cool, look at the way that not so weird. Yes, I'm just in some valley now. What beautiful weather as well. Just amazing. Man, this place is beautiful. There's that stream I've been coming to. That's running down from the waterfall I'm looking for. And look at that water. Oh my god. It just looks so clear running over all them stones. Wow. Sure is beautiful here. Wow. I'm loving it so far. I'd love to climb down to that stream, but I'd rather make my way to the actual waterfall where the stream is coming from, because that's going to be even prettier, I bet. But yeah, loving it. Wow, just the size of these trees above me. Just look amazing. Keep trekking with my ridiculous bag. Beats the crap out of me every time I put it on. With all that stuff hanging on all the sides. So just as I came around that corner, walked into the most beautiful view ever. Sadly, one of the trees is kind of blocking it. But hey, look at that. There's the waterfall coming down from the mountains in the distance. Really can't wait to get to that spring now, to that waterfall. Hungry, thirsty, and tired of dragging this stupid bag. Man, what a stupid bag. But hey, I'll be reunited with my hiking bag soon enough. Just once I get over this mountain. That shouldn't be too long. And yeah. Wow. This bit of the forest looks so cool. I think it's ivy. I mean, I'm sure the trees don't find it cool. But wow. Just so dense with it everywhere. Beautiful stream down there. Wow. Wow. Huge tree has fallen. Wow, this feels so amazing with the steep walls all around me. This feels like everything is so immense. Wow. Whoa. Check out that rock. Huge. I think I have to cross here and take that little path there. Let's do it. Slippery! Wow, that mountain is steep. Yeah, keep getting closer. that. Just a bit of overhanging rock. Let's try and get even closer. Finally made it! Right at the bottom of this waterfall. Let's try and get up there to where it looks really nice up there. I'm just chilling up higher by the waterfall, by the main bit of it. You can feel the wind and the cold coming off it. It's just so beautiful, such a good feeling. I'm going to have to make my way somewhere up there and come down the other side to find my hiking bag. I hope I can do that before the sun sets. Yeah, it's already around 2 o'clock, I imagine. Well, it'll be 3 by the time I'm done here. I'm going to rest here under that hanging rock way above me. Hopefully it'll stay there for another 100 years or so, at least. And here we are. I've got my stove, I've got some logs. I'm going to prepare some boiled eggs. Just need to go get some ferns now. Oh, yeah, fire's burning! Woo! Cheese sandwich. I'm not going to wait or anything, I'm going to chop it straight on. Let it heat up a bit and go to town. I'm hungry! Get it boiling and then chuck my eggs in. My first meal is now done. Oh, nothing much, just a cheese sandwich, but man am I excited about it, considering I've only eaten cereal bars and a banana all day. This is going to be great. Yeah, I've got boiled eggs coming as well after this, and coffee before I trek on up the rest of the mountain. But lovely spot here. The waterfall is starting to become one with me. The noise is my new quiet. So my eggs are done. Now just working on the coffee. Perfect. So I've got my ridiculous pack back on, cleaned up the camp, and now I'm off up. It's got quite cold here now. The sun seems to be going down. It's getting probably just past 4 o'clock now. Yeah, I've got about 2 hours of sunlight left. I wish I could go up and go near the waterfall, but sadly I need to trek away from the waterfall now if I'm going to catch that sun anytime. Wow, I'd love to climb up to those rocks. But one of the many spots of whales I have to leave for next time. because I'm off that direction. In this case. Not sure how I'm off there, but I am. I'll just keep walking along the mountain and going up slightly. But wow! Wow! That's an amazing view. Just turned around for the first time. Yeah, this view is making me dizzy. So I was walking up there not long ago, but I saw this nice little clearing in between the hill and the forest. I would have liked to stay up there, but it's incredibly difficult to walk across dead ferns. All that brown colour that you can see all the way along the mountain, those are dead ferns, just like here. Like same thing is going on all the way up there. And they're just so annoying. They break or they don't break and they trip you. And when they break, they go into your shoes and... oh my god. Ferns, I hate you alive and dead apparently. I thought it was just alive. Yeah, so now I'm gonna walk along this somewhat clearer portion. And the way it looked from the top it looked like it just continues up the mountain. Although I was like halfway up already, I'd rather take a nice gradual clearing up rather than fight those ferns all the way. So yeah, down here and off I go, I guess, onwards and forwards. Pine forest is just too beautiful. But these mountains are taking it out of me today. Nearly there. Cool. Wouldn't want to meet that doggy out here. It's huge. So I've abandoned all paths and now just cutting it straight through the forest. And it's quite nice. Yeah. Here are the mountains. Yeah, beautiful. I mean, it's an amazingly beautiful spot. My next mountain over there. My gear is currently somewhere along this ridge, like around just below this point somewhere. My hiking gear and stuff. As you can see, the sun is going down fast. There's what's left of it back there behind the trees. Really, hopefully I need to get at least this high up the mountain, just around there where the clearing is. Looks like there's some flat ground around that height, so I've got a long way to go and only about an hour of sun left. There's my target shining through the trees. Alright, fingers crossed this is a public right-of-way path. I don't know what this is, but I'm so happy I don't have to climb back up there and get out to these people's house. And hopefully not be eaten by any dogs or anything. Cool. Onwards and forwards, chasing the sun. I think I'm out of public footpath. And it's the stream or the cliff from here on out. Oh man, so beautiful here. Oh, well, it's a graveyard, so possibly public in a sense. So we're going to take some manoeuvring. Hey, what a place to turn up. Church. An active graveyard. Here I am, right at the bottomest part of this mountain. From here, it really does look like a challenge. But we'll have a go. Not tonight, of course. Tonight, I'm just hoping to find any flat ground. Any flat ground will do. That's the mountain I just crossed behind me. I wish I had my tent and camped up there, but I was stupid. I figured I could do 2 mountains on my first day. Yep. Anyway, nothing ventured and all that. Cool, I'm already dead at this little road bit, let alone the actual mountain. There I am, at my stash. Can't even see the bag. Lovely. Cool. Am I exhausted today? I've not even made it anywhere near halfway up the mountain, or a quarter even, because it doesn't look like it's gonna get flat anytime soon. So I camp here. The sun beat me to it as well. And yeah, so I got the fire burning already. It's about 7ish, 7:30. I'm up this beautiful hillside. Once there's enough embers, basically, I'll start cooking some chicken. Yeah, she can't wait. I am hungry and exhausted, and it's been quite a day. I really haven't prepared in any way for this, physically or mentally. But first thing first, I need to get the coffee on. Right, so I got a lovely chicken kebab coming up. Made a huge one today. Just wanted to get all the meat cooked, so I can just reheat it tomorrow. That's the rice. It's actually done now. Just staying warm there. Lovely. Yeah. Kebab's coming along beautifully. A bit crusty on one side. Should be lovely though. Alright, so the food is in. There's my kebab with a bit of salad. And there's my overcooked rice. That's gone a bit crispy. Should be great. Alright, let's try this oniony chicken. Yeah, look at that. Looks lovely. Oh yeah. That's good chicken. Cool, that meal was amazing. In the end, although I thought I would save half of that skewer for tomorrow to stir fry up, I ended up just going through all of it. And again, it's been a hell of a day. Yeah, so I'm gonna chill by this fire for a little bit longer. Maybe make a tea, chill out a little bit, and go bed. So yeah, I guess this is it for day 1. Well, it has been stunning as always. From streams and forests and waterfalls to this little hillside at the back of somebody's farm. It's all just amazing.